Hello, everybody. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. Would be in fact good. There will be a severe thunderstorm warning from Sunday 7:49 p.m. until Sunday 8:15 p.m. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania. Until 8:15 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Atlantic to near Hubbard, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Sources: wind radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damages to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Greenville, Mercer, Stoneboro, West Middlesex, Sandy Lake, Clark, Wheatland, Fredonia, Jackson Center, New Lebanon, and Shakelyville. And right down here, hail threat, radar indicated, max hail size, 1 inch, wind threat, radar indicated, max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Okay, everybody, I'll be here, tracking the weather for you guys, and thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the evening, everybody. Bye, everybody. Subscribe, put a comment down below, give a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Bye, everybody.